Welcome to LynxPDF, your professional, secure, and efficient PDF solution made for modern teams. In this video, we'll show you how to use the compress feature to make your files light for easy sharing and storing. Open LynxPDF, and you'll find the compress feature conveniently located in Quick Tools on the homepage. To begin, click on Compress and select the PDF you want to compress. You can choose to compress a single file, or select multiple files for batch compression. After selecting your files, you'll see the Settings panel on the right. LynxPDF offers 3 compression modes. Standard. This is the recommended mode. It balances both compression rate and quality. Mobile. This mode is designed for mobile devices, ensuring higher quality and better clarity when viewing PDFs on the go. Custom. If you need more control, you can customize the compression settings. If you choose standard or mobile mode, just click Apply in the bottom right corner. Then, select your desired save location, click Open, and the compression will be completed. If you want more control over the compression, you can use the Custom mode to fine-tune the settings. In the Custom Settings panel, you can adjust the following. PPI for image quality. Choose from low, medium, or high to determine the level of compression. You can also choose to unembed any fonts from the PDF or remove unnecessary content such as all JavaScript actions, document tags, comments, forms, multimedia, invalid bookmarks, and links. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, click Compress in the bottom right corner, select your save location, and click Open to complete the compression process. You can also access the Compress tool from the Tools menu in the top toolbar once the PDF is open. The settings are the same as in the Quick Tools section, so you can follow the same steps to compress your document. And that's how you can easily compress your PDFs using LynxPDF. Whether you need to reduce file size for sharing or optimize documents for mobile use, LynxPDF gives you the flexibility you need. Give it a try, and we'll see you in the next video.